everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Robin with Beauty and Style, and I'm back with another unboxing of 25-piece women's apparel from Thredup. So let's get into this box and see what I got. Oh, and this came from Philadelphia, so I'm hoping it's going to be a good box. So let's hope. I didn't open it too well, did I? All right, let's see. I think I paid $60. That's the norm for these boxes because it wasn't on sale. Yeah, $60. So that's that. So let's see. Let's see what I got. Hope I got some good stuff. Here's what it looks like. Okay, let's see. Let's do this paper. Okay, first thing on top is something purple. And it's a dress. Nice dress. It is Tahari. Arthur S. Levine, size 10. I haven't had Tahari in a while, so hopefully there's nothing wrong with it. Okay, up next is a pair of leggings, and they are Motion 365, made by Fabletics. Let me see, can y'all see that? There we go. I think you guys can see that. I'm not sure on the size, but it looked nice. They have little side pockets. So we'll see about that. I'll look in here to see if I can find the size. Should be in there somewhere. Okay, we got a striped, it looks like a skirt. With an orange belt or orange waistline. Let's see. Does it have a maker? Or is it this way? Oh, I was upside down. The orange is the bottom of the skirt. And it's Ann Taylor, size 6. It's blue striped with an orange trim on the bottom. That should do pretty good, I hope. Okay, here is like a jacket. It's Lab Joy. It's an extra small. It's a nice thermal workout jacket. It's got the pockets. That's what it is. That's nice. That's a nice little jacket. So, oh, it's almost like a moto jacket. It's got that. Zip it on the side there. It's got the buttons. Oh, this is nice. I like this. See how that, well, that'll do. And we've got a sheer blouse, kind of a blue with black plaid, a Vince Camuto size medium. Always like getting boxes from Philadelphia. I think I get better things in it. It's a nice little blouse. Okay, this is a camisole or a tank top. I think this is the front with the little buttons. I know it looks gray on camera, but it's like a black. Oh, it's a Madewell, size 10. Good, it's got adjustable straps. Very lightweight. Hopefully all these things don't have flaws. Here is a Theory sweater. Bergdorf Goodman, size large. It's gray. Let's see what this is made out of. It's very soft. Let's see. Cashmere. Gotta look for holes. So I'll be inspecting that really well. Here is a cute blouse. Has balloon sleeves. It's thin. It's got little buttons. And look at these sleeves. Aren't that nice? It's like diamond sleeve. It is an Ann Taylor extra small. Very cute. I like that. Here we have a pair of pants, a gray pair of pants, J. Crew, Cameron, size 2. Nice looking straight leg pants. It's got the line down the back of the leg. It's got the pockets. It's nice. I have to look over that. It's nice and soft. This is a dress with belt. What it looks like. It's a loft size 1, I think, or large. Oh, it's a large. Loft size large. It's a blue. It's nice dress, and it's got the belt that comes with it. Kind of unfold these things here. Oh, look at this one. Look at this. I think this is a dress. Yes, it's a nice dress. This would be nice. I need to get this listed. If it's everything is there. Looks, nope. It's missing a rhinestone right there. I don't know if I can sell that, but it's a, oh, I gotta be able to sell it with a flaw. It's a Kate Spade. Oh my goodness. Unless I can find one of these rhinestones and put one in. It's just missing one rhinestone, but it's a Kate Spade. Yes. I'll just sell it like that and disclose that it's missing one up here. Nobody can really tell because it's back here. And if you have long hair, it will hide it. So I hope. All right. What is this? This is a COS size. Oh no, Europe it says 36. Doesn't have an American size on there, so I'm gonna have to look into that. But it's like a sheer button down dress or something. Has slits on the sides. I don't know. I'll have to check into that. Here's some kind of snakeskin dress with has underwire on the bra. Oh, it's new with tags. Looks like a Guess. Let me see. Yes, it's a Guess, size 0. And let me see, does it have a price on here? $138 for this dress. And it's a size 0. Yep. It's a cute dress. It's got little pockets. Oh my gosh, it's cute. I just love that. Here's the price. Wow. I should do pretty good on that one, I hope. It's a cute little blouse. And it's got like some lace on the shoulders. Has this little lacy collar. Has the 2 pearl buttons that go together. And it is a Karl Langford Paris. It's a large. It looks to be in really nice shape, I hope. You'll never know until you get it under the light and you start, taking the pictures and stuff. What is this? This says, hello, I love you. Can you tell me your name? Leon and Harper. Never heard of that. Never heard of that. But it is a dress. And it has stretchy waist. I have never heard of this. Doesn't tell me a size, but it's a nice fabric tag. Let's see. Oh, it's a faux wrap. faux wrap dress. And look at that, there's that tag. It's a fabric tag. Let me see what it says here. Upside down. It's a size small, and it's 100% viscose. There's a fabric tag. I hope this is worth something. It's a faux wrap. Okay, here's a cute sweater. That's a cute sweater. It's button down cardigan. It's a J. Crew size medium. I like that. That's cute. Let's see what it's made out of. Monaco wool and cotton and nylon. I hope that goes good. Here we have a pair of green leggings. Doesn't show me a name or anything. I have no clue. Oh, it's an Under Armour. But there's no size or anything in here, so I don't know. Don't know what the size is. Here's another new with tags. And it is, pronouncing this. Button-down pocket shirt, linen, extra small. That's a medium. This is wrong. It's a medium. But that's what it says. And this is the tag thing. And it does feel like linen. So that's going to be a good seller. There's a pair of pants. Merrill by Marc Jacobs, Ella Skinny. Oh, these are in good shape. Looks like it. Doesn't look like there's any puckering. It's got this white line down the leg on both of them. So I guess that's supposed to be there. They look to be in pretty good shape. No holes, no puckering. We'll see. Here's a sweatshirt by J. Crew, size small. Main event. That's a lobster. There's the J. Crew. Okay, we have another bundle here in here. Okay, what is this? This is Ann Taylor, size 6. Looks like a suit jacket with one button and faux pockets. That's, yeah, Ann Taylor, size 6. It's got like the padded shoulders, lightly padded. So we'll see how that goes. Ooh, and here we have, I don't know what this is. It just says JW Los Angeles, Joy, Love, Light, extra large. So we'll have to see what this is. Is this a Johnny Was? Oh, is that what that stands for? Let me know in the comments before I find out. Wow, look at the embroidery. Oh my God, I hope it isn't a Johnny Was. Oh my goodness, I hope so. I do hope, I do hope, I do hope. Let's look and see if there's a garment tag in here. Let's see. Doesn't tell me much. It's 100% cotton. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Let me know if this is a Johnny Was tag. Other than that, I'm going to Google Lens it and find out. I'm setting this to the side to find out. Oh my God, I hope it is. Okay, here is another, I think it's a shirt or something. It's BCBG Generation Extra Small. And it's a cute little, I think it's a dress. Has to be a dress. I'm not sure. But it's got this split in the back. And this is another color. And it's got that split in the front. And that's the tag. This is cute. It's interesting. I know it has a fabric tag in here somewhere. Let's see. Oceanic multi extra small. I guess that's what it is. I don't know. It doesn't tell me what it's made out of. I know it's in here somewhere. I'll find it. Whatever. Okay, what do we got here? I got two more things. This is one of them. This is Michael Kors. Michael by Michael Kors. Extra small. I think it's a dress. It's got that zipper in the back. It's got all this hardware in the front. And it lifts up and down. So it's a Michael Kors extra small. I like that. I hope it's in really good shape. And I'll let you know, guys, about if that is a Johnny Was dress. I hope it is. Okay, this is an Ellie Tahari. Not sure what the size is, but I imagine it's on something. On one of these here rubbery things here. And how that's got a dry cleaners tag on there. It's a pair of pants, dress pants. Kind of a wide leg. Well, we'll see about that. That is the end of my 25 pieces of clothing. It is empty. And I will check this out like ASAP when I'm done with this video. It's got the embroidery on the back as well. Oh my goodness, I do hope it is a Johnny Was. I will let you guys know down in the comments if I was right or not. And I will close this video now. And I hope everybody had a great, wonderful Christmas. And I hope y'all have a great new year. This is December 29th, a Thursday. And I will get back with you guys on another video. I have something else special kind of video I'm going to come up with something else I'm going to be adding to my closet and my stores that I will be making and putting together. So I hope that goes well. And I hope everybody else is doing well. And I will see you guys all on the next video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe and hit that little bell button so you'll be notified when I come back on. So have a great, great rest of your time and reselling. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.